Hi, I'm Evelyn, a product manager here at Edmit. When I was applying to college just a few years ago, my family had a tough time figuring out which option was right for me and how much it would cost after financial aid. I wish I had Edmit at the time, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll understand why you'll want it to help plan your family's financial future. Let's get started. When you create your Edmit account, we use a few bits of information, like your GPA and zip code, to estimate what different colleges will cost for students like you, based on both publicly available data and data from real students. We call this the estimate. Here's a college list with estimates for a student from North Carolina with a great SAT score and good GPA, but whose family doesn't have a high income. Most of these colleges cost over $60,000 a year to attend. But after the estimate takes into account financial aid, like grants, scholarships, and tuition discounts, things look very different. Take UNC Chapel Hill as an example. Because the student is from North Carolina, she gets a big discount on tuition from her state. Her family pays a fraction of the total cost of attendance, which is often the case for students attending in-state public universities. But that doesn't mean Chapel Hill is the most affordable option. Even if their tuition is higher, private universities with generous financial aid can cost less overall for some families. For this student, colleges like Stanford and Duke can cover almost all of the cost of attendance, making them potentially more affordable. Our estimate is completely free for all Edmit users and helps your family compare the affordability of the schools on your list. For families that want more detailed information, our Compare tool shows more data on the selectiveness, cost, and earnings potential of different schools. For example, it shows how your test scores and GPA fare against those of other applicants, how much each college will cost over time, and even how much graduates of each college earn, so you can decide which schools are the best value for your student. For families that want to examine every financial detail, an upgrade to Edmit Plus grants access to Financial Planner. This powerful tool shows how changes in your college savings or wages earned by your student could impact your student's level of debt over time. Just pick any college from our database and play around with the numbers. Using Edmit, thousands of families have taken control of their college searches and saved tens of thousands of dollars in the process. To get started free, just head to edmit.me. That's edmit.me.